Du möchtest bei deinen Kunden einen guten Eindruck machen? Das gelingt dir mit einer professionellen Du möchtest bei deinen Kunden
Hey, what's up? Can you hear me?
What's good? Are you live on YouTube yet?
Yeah, I'm live. I did it now with this new streaming software. I'm streaming now live on YouTube and on Twitch. I still need to figure out the part with the screen share and yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking about that too. It's gonna be hard to get both screens. Do you think it's even gonna be like enough clarity and size in order to see both screens?
Probably not. We can also just do it this way that like you stream your screen, I stream my screen, but together we do the analysis, we decide because these pairs move
Yeah,
the
exactly.
same way anyway.
Yeah, I'll just share mine on my YouTube, and then our voices will just be on both.
Yeah, exactly.
And if people want to watch me and you at the same time, they can have two YouTube tabs open.
Yeah, correct.
That works. Yeah, it's gonna be way too small.
Yeah, that's
to fit
true.
both charts on the screen. Did you check the limits for Zoom though? I'm pretty
I
sure.
bought Pro. I have no limits now.
Oh, even if I'm in it, that's awesome.
Yeah, I have now unlimited.
Cool. Yeah, because it would always cut me off 30 minutes, so that's nice. All right, I'm gonna get my chart set up. Shoot.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it better over time. I have now this count to like trades taken, and then I put in the trades. I'm just streaming from OBS. Seems to work.
Yeah. Yeah, that app is, I mean, that platform is really nice. I didn't really figure out how to use it fully yet.
Yeah.
It's kind of like, not confusing, but there's a lot to it for sure.
But you know, I also want to include some things like a timer, like time until the New York Stock Exchange opens, so people can jump. Like when they watch the recording, they can just jump to this point.
Yep, exactly. I was thinking that too. I was going through the video and I'm like, if we have little time slots
Yeah.
in the YouTube video where you can skip to see where we place, where we exit, that'd be sick. I also like how that platform allows you to adjust the sensitivity of the mic.
Yeah, man.
I'm sure the computer can do that somehow, but I noticed yesterday there was like some really high and low points of the volume. So I'm gonna, let me see. I guess I could stream. I connected my YouTube, but I don't know too much about that platform. Let's see.
And I just like that I can, when I buy the premium or free stream, I can stream on all platforms at the same time. Like,
Wait, quick question. On OBS, I can't figure out how to get my camera to like
you
pop up.
go to sources.
Sources.
It's in the bottom left. And then you just click on the plus sign. You click video
okay.
video capture device, and then you edit it, and then you select your camera, and then you can turn it on or off.
Got it. Just doesn't even show that I have any.
And then share your screen once you're ready.
I tried to do it on Zoom. It's saying that I can't. It's like you disabled it.
Okay. How do I give permissions? Yeah, I don't really like Zoom for this, for exactly this stuff.
You know, Telegram allows us to chat and share screens as well. I don't know if you know that.
Really?
Yeah.
I make you a host too, and oh no, I'm not. I don't know. How do I do this? Allow to record to compute? No, that's something different.
Maybe go to participants. No, is that it? More? No, that's not it.
Oh, I need to check.
Chat GPT it.
Yeah. Something so basic, but I never understand how to use Zoom.
All right, I'm gonna get my chart set up real quick. Dude, I'm so pumped out. I don't know if you saw that video I sent you. Like, if I just had that BADJ setting set on the charts without those gaps yesterday, we would have had an insane short. But
Yeah.
now I can see we never got above my zone. I mean, we kind of did. We like popped above it, but we didn't stay above it. And then we just dumped. What a beautiful, beautiful day. Now the market looks so clean. Now that is all adjusted.
Oh, you can share now. It's activated.
Cool. Let's see. Oh. That's it. Yeah. There we go. Oh yeah, I like that when I share it doesn't make a big banner at the top.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
cool.
So now I need to test something. I'm going to the living room and I'm gonna watch the stream from my phone. Please keep talking so I see if the audio works, like your audio.
All right, I'll explain what I'm going to set up. So every single morning, I throw on the session-based indicator, go on the 15-minute time frame, and we just mark out simply the highs and lows of the Tokyo and the New York session, and we label it as well. And this is going to give me my two most recent highest probable liquidity levels. And then we're going to use these levels to gauge what market's going to either reject, bounce, or break through. Let's see. Okay. So we got the highs and the lows. We have our key zone that we want to stay below for the bears. And if we get above and hold above this, we're looking for some bullish momentum. Other than that, that's how simple my setup in the morning is. Just keep it 4 levels. And then if we're at all-time highs, obviously, we're not going to use any levels above. Just going to have sell levels, bounce levels. And then if we break through these levels, we just use the previous levels that haven't been taken out, like these lows here, 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 here. And that's about it. Super clean and simple. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, it works.
Sweet.
Now I just want to share the screen.
I love when Tokyo consolidates and then we stay in the consolidation during London and don't make any big moves. That's amazing. because then we can look for an easy manipulation for the reversal. All gonna be these lows for a long, or potentially we can take out this high. Or the zone, actually, you can see this right here, right into this area. Reject. This is gonna give me my two most.
I'm still setting the stuff up. I don't know yet how to share your screen. I will figure it out.
I see. I'm gonna look at your YouTube.
Yeah, it's just my screen, but now if I want to share your screen, it's just a mess.
Oh, I forgot. I need to go live.
Yeah, in case we already have some people watching, we're still learning here with the setup. It's not as easy.
Day today, 18th.
Okay. Okay, I think I have it. I can change it in OBS. Now if, for example, if I want to switch to your screen, I just click go here. Now it's faded to yours. So I can switch this now.
Fire. I gotta figure out how to do that.
Yeah. But yeah, we're ready here.
How do you want to go live? Choose your broadcast for the times. Yeah, YouTube like makes you select your camera. Can't. Do you put a category under your YouTube live?
Yeah, I just have it education.
True.
But maybe entertainment is better. Who knows?
Beautiful. Got that fire. Okay, let's go.
So I just made an announcement. And yeah, I'm gonna explain. I already got into a trade before I got on the stream. I just saw it. I took some partials. I obviously entered on a small time frame. It was a very, very simple trade. You see, we have this trend line support. Sounds ridiculous, but it just works. And then I saw this candle close, and then I entered at when this candle pushed above the previous one. My stop loss is below this candle, and it continued. Here I took partials, and my stop loss is, I didn't put it on break even. Small positions, and currently I'm up $1,500 on this Apex challenge. I need to make 500 more to pass it. And yeah, hopefully I can pass it today. So now what we see is going into the New York Stock Exchange open is this bullish FU candle. I'm going to be very cautious though, because oftentimes what happens is that the 1 hour candle before the New York Stock Exchange open goes above, like it pushes a little higher, but then it turns around and forms a bearish FU candle. So I'm actually gonna move my stop loss to break even now. In case we get a nice setup, I can still re-enter. It would be a valid buy setup. It's one of my setups. It's like anticipating the breakout here from this level. I'm just cautious with my stop loss placement. So, and you see here trades taken is on 0 because I didn't take a trade yet on the stream today, but it's gonna come.
Oh, you got that set up on OBS?
Yes, you can just add a text. You just go on the plus sign and then text free type, and then you can edit the text. So I'm going to move this now a little bit.
Whoops. All right. So I can hear you on my stream.
Yeah, you have to stay off my stream probably, or have the audio off. Otherwise, I'm gonna hear myself double.
No, I just pulled it up on my phone for a sec.
Yeah.
But yesterday I noticed, like, in the video, sometimes you can hear me talking and sometimes I was somehow muted, but you were still hearing me. It was weird.
Also, guys, in the chat, can you please text anything in the chat to see if it works? Because I'm using a different streaming platform now. I want to see if I receive your messages here or if I have to check it on YouTube. Please send something random. So either you didn't write or I don't receive it. Ah, here I got a message. Damn it! So I don't get the chat. It doesn't synchronize. Too bad. Yeah, I'm gonna watch it on my phone to be able to answer.
Oh shit, yours came out sick too. Love it. That's what I wanted to add, honestly, that the live. Okay, gotta do that. Right, ready to rock.
Oh, now I get the messages. No, it's a static account. Someone asked if I need 6K. No, it's a static account. On the static, I only have a drawdown limit of 600. But it's static. It's not trailing drawdown. So I just need to make 2K. But it's ridiculous, obviously, having a 100K account with $600 drawdown limit. Why not just saying you have a $600 account?
Literally.
I always feel scammed when it comes to prop firms.
It's just a marketing strategy.
Yeah. And I just cannot deal with trailing drawdown. It just can't.
That'd be really, yeah, same. That'd be honestly so much nicer though if they just told you it's a $600 account. Like,
Yeah.
it would just make you just. Plus, then we wouldn't have all these clowns online being like, I'm funded $1 million.
No,
bro,
not.
you funded like 10K. It's ridiculous. 10K simulated money. Good job, bud.
So Spencer, what's your plan? I didn't listen. more long or more short? Or are you open for both?
But wait, we got FOMC today, huh?
Yeah, but it's in the afternoon.
Okay, true. But we might have a pretty chopped up day. I honestly love this zone again. Like, I don't know if you can see my screen. So we came into this red
I'm
zone
gonna show
and
you the screen.
absolutely just chopped and chopped and chopped and then dumped. So if we can come like right back, like kind of push up and find some rejection right here, like where this consolidation was, I'd like to take shorts down to the New York low, potentially lower, take out some more liquidity down here. Other than that, I would need to see some demand get created above this zone to go long up into the all-time high. That's what I'm going to be looking at today.
Do you have your camera on YouTube?
No.
Ah, okay.
It should show like a little OBS like symbol.
Ah, yeah, I see.
I don't even know how I did that. It was like that automatically. I didn't realize it was connected. On OBS, it's showing my camera. Whoops, that's weird.
I have to quickly answer in Swiss German. Ja, ja, Alter, ich weiß schon, wer du bist. Und jetzt plötzlich streame ich live. Und nur noch Futures. Ich tue jetzt nur noch Futures traden. Now you heard Swiss German. What a random language, no?
That's sick though.
So I'm gonna go back to my screen. How do I do it? Like this. Okay. Yeah, let's hit some stop losses. No.
Dude, your long's going pretty good.
Yeah. So the open is in 7 minutes, but I know how it is. So many times it just the open comes, boom, I'm done, I'm out. So in the meantime, I'm gonna look what I'm gonna do if it breaks down here. We still have this gap here.
Nah, it's chart set up too.
Yeah, I mean this looks very long here.
Yeah, I could definitely see. I just get back up to that high yesterday. But at the same time, we are still in this tight zone.
So I see two possibilities. I see that it could go up here, form a wick, and then go down, or that this is just liquidity and it pumps up all the way to here. Might even happen today, depending on the outcome. And if it comes back down here, I would still buy from after this wick or this wick. I have put buy limits here, but only small size because it's very risky without any confirmation. For a really good long, I would prefer seeing this being taken out or this. So now I have all my levels.
Wait, do you have? Yo, you don't even have the setting on your chart
Which?
to adjust the price. See the bottom right corner, the BADJ.
Yeah.
Click it.
And now I don't have a gap anymore, or what?
Yeah, it fixes all the price action.
Wow.
And it updates it to the new contracts.
Oh, that's new to me.
It's just more accurate price, basically.
And you know what? I'm going to delete these limit orders. Like zooming out a little bit, I see that they make no sense. This would be a typical retail trap. So either it pumps up straight, or I get confirmation here, or I wait for it to take out this or this low, and then I go in.
To be honest, it looks like you're gonna get calls off the open.
What's a call?
Sorry, longs.
Ah, okay.
Like call options is longs. You're gonna get a phone call off the open. It's gonna be the market maker telling you we liquidated your account. Oh, that'd be fucking crazy.
Someone wants to know how to update the contract, so I'm going to quickly show your screen and you can wait, like this. So how to update the contract?
If you're trading on, say, your broker, you got to just figure out what the monthly contract ticker is. For mine, I switched from U to, I think, Z. But just to get rid of all the gaps, the contract gaps on the futures charts, just hit this little BADJ. See, if I take it off, look, we have that massive gap and we're above like this key. We're basically above this key resistance over here. But if I click it,
it doesn't.
Now it's all lined up. We haven't gotten above it. This is showing we're still below it. So the price is more accurate and don't have to worry about those gaps because those gaps are unrealistic.
I'm not sure
So,
if people can see
that's
it.
it. What's up?
I'm not sure if people can see it. It didn't stream it.
Oh, because I got that camera thing in the way.
Yeah, and it didn't synchronize, but it's here. Look, guys, here. Adjust for contract changes. Here's the mouse. It's on the right of the time, current time. So 15 seconds, and the New York Stock Exchange opens.
All right, let's get it. What the heck? I had none of my levels marked. Okay, strong. No calls off the open. Okay, got all that. AC is so loud, bro.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get stopped at a break even. It's like guaranteed.
Why?
Because it always happens. If you enter before the open, then usually at the open you get stopped at a break even because the range completely changes.
Oh, I see that retracing. Might get a sweep on ES. Before, might save your ass.
And let's say this candle would close as a doji with a wick here and a small body, then I would place a limit order below this wick, and then obviously I would have to wait half an hour or yeah for this candle to close, and then for the next candle to come down and trigger my limit order. This would be a nice setup, but then my stop loss would have to be at the low of this FU candle. And you know, I'm just watching because I'm on stream now. If I wouldn't be on stream, I would just have my alert and I would do something else, and boom, I'm stopped at a break even. So now I can remove this. At least I took some partials here. Now I go to smaller time frame.
I'm curious, is this recording one screen or my whole screen? Not even.
You know what, I'm gonna go to the 1 minute. Okay, we took one liquidity here. So now if this fair value gap inverses, we could go long here, but I prefer it to go a little lower. Fuck you. Always WhatsApp. So basically this whole trend, this was a 1 hour FU candle, and then here, around here, the new one started. No, here. Here the new 1 hour candle started, took out the high and came all the way back down. But it's basically just a retracement. It's as long as we're in here, it's valid to buy after it took liquidity. which obviously happened. Now I just need an entry confirmation. This still gets respected, and like I said, I prefer it to go a little lower for a better entry.
You thinking of entering long or
Yeah, I'm looking for a long.
potential? Oh my god, that's trippy.
But it's also possible that the full FU candle gets taken out. It looks as if this is happening. Look on the 1 hour. It's what I said before the stream. The green FU candle comes, then the red, and it takes it out. But it didn't take it out yet. But it's very unlikely that it stops here. So I'd rather wait for it to be taken out.
You said a green FU candle on the 1 hour?
Yeah, a green one, and then the next one comes with it takes out the high of the bullish one, and then takes out the low. It happens all the time at the New York Stock Exchange Open.
I see your chart. For some reason on mine, the FU candles aren't showing up.
I'm sure.
I have it turned off as well.
Yeah, you see.
Yeah. I have all my indicators turned on. Oh shit.
We have another FVG here.
Now we're back. Looking good.
With a close below liquidity. And now the FU candle is out. An FU candle can also be liquidity.
Super drop.
I'm gonna remove this trend line. So when this closes above, I'm gonna go long, and I'm gonna exit if we get a close below again. Okay, we seem to get a close above. 22 seconds. I don't like this entry though. So I'm gonna take it small. Horrible execution.
Our rejection's huge though now. Like 3 minutes left on that candle.
So I'm gonna close it if we get close below here. If it wicks down, I keep it open. Yeah, this time my execution was so bad. I wanted to click, but it lagged.
Looks pretty good on both NASDAQ and US.
Yeah, instant profit. But do we hit TP or stop loss? Who knows?
I would just put stops at break even.
Already? Oh, then I could just close them now because it's gonna take it out.
I didn't realize how close it was, dude.
Like every time I think, should I put it on break even? That's when I should close in full.
Reject that, man. Now I'm seeing your screen. Yeah, NAS is a little more fluctuative. I don't even know if that's a word. Fluctuates a lot more than ES.
And obviously I trade different on a stream than I would trade if I'm alone. If I'm alone, I just enter here. I'm reckless. Like it takes this out, I just click buy. And
Bro, trade like that with us.
because I'm just very good
I
at risk
trade.
management.
I'm the opposite, bro. When I'm alone, I like hesitate more. When I'm like on stream, I usually get sniper entries, but I'm just I'm gonna be more patient today. I'm not rushing into anything. I want to catch a really, really nice trade. Right around 9 o'clock.
Yeah, now this looks bad. But I'm gonna follow the plan. Like I said, if you get a close below, I'm gonna close it. Now I can move my stops to break even because there's no point. It has to take out this wick. By the way, I'm doing this here with stops, like sell stops for buys. But Spencer, I saw on your screen you have, it says stop loss or something like this. How do you do this?
What do you mean?
Ah, that was stupid. Bad execution.
Oh, how mine says STP?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm out of break even. Let's wait for a real setup.
I don't know why mine does that, and yours says sell stuff. Oh, get out.
Yeah, but I didn't lose. I barely lose.
Yeah, exactly. When you
Now
can read
maybe
it,
if we get a FU candle here, then I could trade the breakout. No, I'm just gonna wait, man.
yeah, I'm gonna wait for this opening range. Oh, it just finished actually.
I'm a very, very, very aggressive trader.
Okay, we got these opening range completed. Let's see if we can get a sweep.
And trading aggressively just works oftentimes because you see it just always reacts when it takes out the low. It reacts always. So and if you wait for confirmation like I did now, then you just either you go through drawdown or you get break even stop out. You know what I mean? If you're aggressive, you get the best entries, but you have to know when to stop yourself. And it takes years to learn this.
Leading up till 2 p.m., probably gonna see some pretty flat action. expecting much from today, that's for sure. If I could just get a nice picture perfect trade entry, I would like to get like at least a 5-10 point scalp and just call it a day. Definitely not holding for a 20-30 pointer today. I don't see that happening. Not before FOMC.
If it comes down here, I'm gonna buy. So I'm gonna actually place limit orders.
Right below those lows?
Yeah, because this is an FU candle.
Yeah, I actually like that too. Nice sweep of the low of the opening range as well.
4 contracts. Yeah, you see, trading's kind of boring.
Yeah, especially on heavy news weeks. Definitely gets pretty boring.
No, this cannot work. On the 1 hour, this simply cannot work. This would be, the double bottom would be too perfect. It's completely invalid. Yeah, I need to delete them. This makes no sense. This is liquidity, this is not a POI. Here's the POI.
Smart man. Okay. Volume is fucking dead, dude. Life changing. I'm amazing. Dun, dun, dun. And there you go. Here goes your love. There. Why is this? Oh, it is. Okay. That was a perfect sweep of the low of the opening range. Beautiful, 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 beautiful.
Beautiful FU candle. Should I go long?
I thought you already got in.
No, not yet.
Damn. I'm long.
Oh, I missed it.
I got in sniper entry from the bottom.
Really? Okay. No, I'm gonna wait for my other entry setup. I'm gonna wait for this candle to print, this 3 minute. And if it has a wick, I'm just gonna enter here. My stop loss here. So this will be my setup here. Yeah, it's a
I already
102.
stopped at break even. I'm not putting any risk on the table on this one. I want it to go immediately, just because it's low volume. I don't really trust the chop.
Yeah, I just
Chop
need
chop.
to satisfy the urge of clicking the buy button.
What's up?
I just need to satisfy this urge of clicking this buy button. So I need to trade. This might work actually. Yeah, it's actually valid. You see, it swept the low, and then the FU candle is valid.
Let's see. What is NAS? What time frame are you talking about?
3 minutes.
5? Oh, 3? I've never used the 3 before, but
Man,
I see the 5 is creating an FU candle.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Back.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, these random time frames, they seem to work very well oftentimes. Yeah, I should have.
Honestly, dude, the time frames that are less used seem to be more accurate.
Yeah.
Because the other ones are just oversaturated, so they're kind of like played out. It's weird how it works like that at times.
Man, you got a perfect long and I fucking missed it.
Told you, sweep of the opening range, and you had your limit order set. I thought.
No, they were somewhere else. The limit order, I'm not sure.
Well, I think you had them lower because you were on NAS. I'm on ES, so ES kind of got a little bit bigger of a dip.
Yeah, but this looks very, very bullish, so I might have to enter here on the top of the candle.
NAS does. I'm about to get fucking stopped out.
No, I wouldn't have hit my limit order.
Yeah, I would have missed by a couple ticks.
Okay, yeah, but I have my limit orders here set.
Hey, we're respecting this 9 AMA. We got to get above that. And then take off. And VWAP and the 50 period. Got a lot. This is very weird. Looks like it's gonna come down. I need you to boost. Come on. There you go. Get a little boost going. Even just 5 points, bro, I might just call it a day. A little 5-point scalp. Because I really just not liking this volume right here. Nothing's happening. And this is the New York Open. So.
I didn't actually, no, I didn't close as an FU candle 5 minutes. On the 7 minute it did. Yeah, so that's still valid here. Just a very high chance I don't get in.
I could see this getting more
And
more
on 10
speed.
minutes about to form one, so it's all aligned.
Move, bro. So,
Yeah, I'm just gonna miss the fucking move, huh?
Come on, baby. Let's get some fuel to the fire. Just get a little launcher, a little rocket launcher to the upside, baby. Come on. Stop playing with me. Stop playing.
It just has to take out the wick. Come on.
Oh my God. 50 cents away from getting stopped out. Let's get it.
Your stop loss is my entry.
This is the last candle of hope. This thing's chopping down. This movement is disgusting. The way it's just slowly creeping.
So in 35 seconds we're gonna have a close here on the 10 minute. If it closes as an FU, I'm gonna enter with a horrible risk reward ratio.
Oh, there we go. Finally get a push above the EMA. Hopefully we can close above it. Was liking it. 6 seconds. Come on, push, push, push. Got this.
Okay, we'll close as an FU, just one contract.
There we go. It's reacting a lot better right
But
there.
I hope it comes back down here. That's also a new 1 hour candle, right? Oh,
Honestly, I'm gonna be super cautious right around VWAP. This thing's just so dead. I don't really see it going too far. Unless this volume just spikes out of nowhere. I would love that. Boy. There we go.
No, I think we get another porcupine here.
Dang? Oh, you're talking about Nas?
Yeah, it's just wicks.
Yeah. ES is pushing. About to hit VWAP. It's like very slowly. One candle at a time. But we finally closed above the 9, which I like, for a little push. It's right here. Come on, bud. You got this. Little 15-pointer. I'd be more than happy with that. Yeah. Right at the EMA.
Guys in the chat, let me know if you're in any trades. Are you long? Are you short? Or aren't you in any trades? Complete silence, no message.
Did you get in long?
Yeah, but just one contract. I'm still waiting for it to hit my buy
Oh, you
limits.
got in up there.
Come
I see.
on. Yes, it hit one of my buy limits. Come hit the second one, it didn't fly.
Oh, yeah. Not fucking. This price action is miserable. Not a fan of even trading on days like this, but we're here and we're doing it for the stream.
See, this is where my actual entry was supposed to be. It's reacted to the fucking pip here. This entry method is crazy. The problem is just I'm so impatient.
Yeah.
But you see, that's absolutely insane. It reacts exactly here. Below the wick, which follows the bullish FU candle. That's one of the biggest secrets I've ever discovered in all my time that I'm trading this entry model.
Is it below the wick of the FU candle?
No, below the wick of the candle that follows the FU candle. It's like the liquidity that forms after the FU candle.
I see that green candle. Okay.
It doesn't mean it's gonna work. It can also dump from here, but the reaction is just beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, no, those. I've seen you do that plenty of times to know that it's pretty accurate. That was clean. Finally getting a push into VWAP. Let's see how we react here. I do like that the volume's kind of coming back a little bit in this area. No. Fine.
What I don't like is that it still respects its fair value gap. It didn't close once above it, so.
I don't like those wicks
Yeah.
on your all the wicks. I can see they're all lined up. That's never a good sign. Like, I don't know. It doesn't look good. But yes, I feel like once VWAP breaks, it's gonna kind of explode a little. Just my spidey sense is telling me that. If we can get that break, nice little rip up to the high.
Yeah, I think oftentimes it's much smarter to wait a full hour after the New York Stock Exchange open because it's so ugly after the open.
Yeah. Well, 9 o'clock, bro, like 80 to 85, 90% of the days, if you just look right in between like 8:50 and like 9:05, 9:10, right in that area is where the market usually has its reverse. It usually is where it's like sweeping a level and then turning around. But in this case, the market just is absolutely sideways. Like, it didn't really do much. I mean, technically it came down. We're consolidating down here. So you would expect if it was gonna follow what I just said, it would go up from here, down off the open, 9 o'clock, head back up. And it's looking like it's trying, but it's kind of failing. Got all these EMAs, VWAP. Gotta push it up.
And since it's the morning before FOMC, I'm gonna close in full once it reaches this high. And I would already call it a day because it's just so rangy.
Yeah, no, that was not a good close, obviously.
Yeah, no.
I'm out. I'm just gonna get out right now.
Free fall short.
A little 1 point winner. Yeah, this price action's horrific. Oh.
Yeah, you see, we have the same thing that happened on the 1 hour happens on the 10 minute. Bullish FU candle followed by a bearish one, and it closes as a bearish one. But my setup is still valid. Probabilities are low. And once I get stopped out, I'm going to try one more time here. And yeah, because there's always the possibility that it works on the first liquidity grab, or that it then like breaks some of these internal highs, takes out the low again, and then goes long.
Not really. I don't know, man. Not a fan. Just swept that low. Here comes an FU candle on an NQ. Nope, never mind.
And I am out.
Now it's gonna go up.
Yeah, now it's gonna go. No, as soon as it takes out this low,
Holy.
I'm already in the next buy. That's how fast it goes. Wow.
Major drop right there. Wow.
So now I need to,
All for it to just go back up.
yeah, instantly probably.
I mean, this is the chop zone. This is the chop zone.
Yeah, I need some kind of confirmation so I can add more.
Yeah, I just wanted to take us out. Clear as day. That was a perfect sweep. Now this thing should finally get back up there. Should have the juice now. These lows are done. Just need this 5 minute to close either green or this big bottom tail wick.
I have the feeling that this is a session where I'm gonna watch the recording and like, how was I so stupid? But yeah, I'm in it now.
You said you're in it?
Yeah, like I'm in the zone now, and I cannot really,
Oh.
I cannot really zoom out. So when this is an FU and it closes as an FU, I'm gonna add, obviously. It's 2.
Go. There you go, partner.
Add it. So and if it wicks down, I'm gonna add more. I'm very confident on this one.
Why am I using it working?
I'm very, very confident on this one.
I'm in. Got in late, but I'm gonna try and let this one out. I just realized my trading view wasn't connected to my trade of 8. We got to get above this Tokyo low. Otherwise, we're going nowhere. Same shit.
Obviously, if I hit stop loss on this one, then I call it a day. Yeah, of course. I said I'm gonna add, but now I don't have the balls to add.
Yeah, bro.
I'm gonna add
Nothing's
here.
coming today. It's been what? It's been an hour. We've not moved.
Okay, here another limit. I'm gonna add 2 contracts. I added. I'm very long now.
Nas looks. Put the FU candle on the 5.
So this is my entry now. I need a green dildo. Come on. Send it.
A green dildo.
Something's telling me it's gonna stop me out again. Also, guys, it's like when you look here, it's horrible. Like, this is a trap, this works, this is a trap, this is a trap, this is also kind of a trap. Yeah, today nothing works. Some fucking piece of shit. And I know I'm still in. Yeah, well, I'm out. Okay, I lost 2 trades in a row, and this was it for this stream. Very sad. Yesterday was better.
Well, it's just this.
No, man, if I get a 1 minute FU candle, then I get really pissed off.
Yeah, this volume is just not something you want to be trading in. That's for sure. Not good. I'm about to walk away as well.
Yeah. I might trade FOMC, but I'm not sure if I can because I have an appointment, but I don't know the time yet. Yeah, guys, sorry. Today's stream was was shit. Yesterday was fire. Yesterday I was in the zone. Not today. Well, I took my setups. It was maybe this was against me that this FU candle didn't close above the EMA, but then also this closed above the EMA and didn't work either. So this is not a guarantee for anything. Yeah, I mean, it took out liquidity and then it reacted, made an FU candle which closed above liquidity. That's my setup, and I still believe it's gonna go long from here. But yeah, my entries didn't work. Maybe I was too. I mean, I took them on the 1 minute. There, I have a low win rate, obviously. But yeah, it is what it is. tomorrow I'm gonna stream again, and hopefully we have 2 wins tomorrow. Thanks for joining, and see you tomorrow. So, Spencer, I'm gonna leave.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna cry now.
Sounds good,
No.
man.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.